It's time!
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the most wonderful time of the year.
Mistletoe-mania 2024.
It's the season of joy, love, laughter, and of course, some festive mischief. We have gathered here tonight at the beautiful IHM Mumbai, and I, Arya Bokil,
And I, Nipun Kulkarni.
are delighted to be your host for the spectacular celebration.
Christmas is a time to celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ. It is celebrated on 25th of December each year. Families come together to celebrate the festival, share presents and be merry. Much like the family that we are here at IHM Mumbai. Tonight, we'll unwrap the gift of joy and togetherness as we spread the festive cheer through an evening of dances, carols, games and a delicious dinner. So, let's get into the Christmas spirit, shall we? Ho ho ho! What are you doing?
What? I am simply busting some of my moves. You blind here?
Not at all, not blind at all. Though there are our own IHM students who can dance better. But you know what? Keep it up. Maybe next fest we'll have you dancing in a troupe.
Definitely. But until next year, why don't we let them step up and rock the stage? I got to hear that Santa's helpers are dancing too.
Yeah, I heard that too.
So, let's welcome Santa's squad for their performance. And, don't be shy to groove and dance along.
Come on guys, let's give it up for the Santa Squad!
This is Ariana Grande. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Feeling Christmas all around. You trying to play it good, but it's hard to focus when I see you walking across the room. Let us know what's past tonight, but I won't get in the mood. I'm vibing every mistletoe is just a good time. That evening's up, so next Christmas I'm not alone. Santa, tell me if he really cares, 'cause I can't give it all away if we won't be here next year. 자기가 좋아하는 랜덤 게임, 랜덤 게임, 게임 스타일. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? See tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the 아파트, 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 아파트.
Give it up once again for Santa Squad, everybody! Thank you guys for a spectacular performance. I can still feel the rhythm in the air. Do you feel inspired, Arya?
Of course, after this, I'll be the next one.
Before you go off to put your dancing shoes on, can I have a moment to interact with the guests?
Sure. And how are you planning to do that?
Actually, I don't really have something in plan. However, I do have Avni and Ayushman who do have something in ready.
Okay, so why are we waiting? Let's bring them on.
Give it up for Ayushman and Avni!
So, are you guys excited for some games? Show some energy, guys.
Come on, man, let's go!
Come on, let's show the IHM spirit.
So, the first game that we're going to play is Guess the Emoji. We have with us few movie titles with some hints, but the catch is that the movie titles are in the form of emojis. You guys have to guess what emojis are those and for which movies are for those. So, let us begin with, coming up, we have first one. You guys cannot answer, you guys just have to raise the hands. Ayushman,
We have a whole squad ready, Ayushman.
There's someone guessing the answer.
Can some volunteers come up to the stage? Like 5 or 6, please. There will be a competition between them only.
We'll have a competition. Come on, come on.
Come on, first years it is for you only.
A lot of third years are here.
Yeah.
Enjoying the final year, it seems.
Okay, please stand in the line. In that way, so that you can see
I
the
think we
Let's
need to see
this.
the
This
card as
time
well,
we
right?
have to see here.
Yeah.
Okay.
A little further from the stage.
Okay, who wants to guess?
Absolutely everyone.
I think he guessed it. before.
Sure, it was a trial round. Please give the answer, anyone.
No, guys, you're wrong.
She went.
She got it right. She got it
She is the
right.
winner.
Come on, guys, give it up for the winner, yeah. She got it right.
The right answer was Finding Dory for everyone. Next up we have. You guys cannot answer in groups.
You have to raise your hands first.
You don't have enough gifts to give if you give it in a chorus.
The first one.
The first one. Yeah.
The first one who raises the hand.
Next movie, please. Only raise your hand.
The answer for this is Rockstar.
Pretty obvious. Easy one.
Coming up next is
You'll regret to say that.
Ayushman. You cannot say it. You cannot say it. Ayushman.
Why are you raising your hands if you are already giving the answers?
Ayushman.
Sure.
Answer.
Correct.
Correct. The answer is Mr. India.
5 people stand here. 5 people stand here. No. So
Still
the
not
people can
easy.
stay. This way. Sure. Who was the next movie, please?
Next movie we have
She's getting the answer. Sui Dhaga.
correct.
Correct. The
This
answer
Sui
was
Dhaga.
Do we still want Maitri to be playing? Because she's getting all of them right. Maitri out.
sorry.
तो उसकी पहले का ही तो गैस करना है. The last is key. That is the only hint.
Oh, come on, think hard.
And it's a 2-word movie.
Yeah.
Word.
So the second word is key.
Anyone from the crowd? Ma'am. Monkey.
No, ma'am, it is not monkey.
Anyone?
Anyone else? Yes? No, it is not Tinky. You are disqualified, ma'am. Okay. Okay.
Riley?
No, it is not.
No.
So,
Yogi?
no, it is not. No.
Correct. Kyoki.
It
Correct.
was Kyunki. Kyunki.
What did you
It is
say?
not Kyung.
It's Kyoki.
Okay, no one
Nobody
gets this
wins.
now.
Nobody
Okay,
wins.
no, no.
Next
Nobody
movie.
got this right.
Next movie, please.
It is Kyoki.
So, up next we have...
Yes, she's absolutely correct.
Correct.
Saat Khoon Maaf.
Satkun Maaf.
Thank you. And the last movie for this round is only raise your hands.
Agabag.
No.
No.
Chalo. We'll keep.
Uncle ka bhag.
No.
No, Malcolm. Bhag.
Anybody else
No, Bhagam Bhag.
from the crowd?
Any guesses?
Anybody, any guesses?
I think Sai is guessing
1
it.
minute.
Come on, Sai.
Yes. It is close, but no.
Close. You're close. You're
Very close.
He is right. Race 3.
Race 3 correct.
From the audience.
Okay, for one last thing.
What's your name?
One last.
Vani.
Quick round, okay? This is a
Quick
easy
round.
one.
Yeah.
This is
Easiest
easy
of
one.
all.
Any kid can also guess it.
A kid should be able to guess it.
Yeah.
Would be the hint. Yes.
No.
Not Jungle Book. No.
Anybody else?
Close enough. There's one in the audience. There are a couple in
Anybody?
the audience.
Oh,
Correct. Correct.
Ma'am, did you have the right answer as well?
Okay,
Did you
this
guess
was
Toy
it for
Story?
this round.
The ma'am in the back also deserves a chocolate. She was the one who guessed it first.
Okay. Sure. We have enough chocolates for everyone.
Give it up for yourself, guys.
Give it up, guys. Come on. Let's
That
show
was
them up for being a
amazing.
good sport.
I tried it first as well. I did it first.
Well, first off, thank you to the crowd for being a good sport. Okay? Everyone, please cheer for the volunteers, man.
thank you so much for supporting us.
Alright. You know what? I was singing in the beginning. You didn't let me finish. Can I finish now?
Okay.
Deck the halls with boughs of folly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly.
My ears, my ears.
Thank you. It was that good?
Thank you, क्या? You made it bleed from them. रहने दो, तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
Okay. You know what? Never mind. She's not doing it right, guys. I was actually looking for a guest. I do not see that guest in the crowd. I cannot find that guest. I cannot find that guest. The guest I'm
Shall we ask them to help us?
Yeah, okay. You know what? We need to invite the guest, and for that, we need to sing a song. Okay? I would love if everyone joins us. It's an easy one. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Now the ground is wide, go as one young. Take the girls tonight, sing a
trip?
But my sledge broke down, so I had to catch a local train.
Oh, we understand, we understand. But now that Santa's finally here, let's start the celebrations.
Merry Christmas, guys! Merry Christmas!
Santa, did you get a chance to make the naughty list yet?
I made the list, but on the way.
Did you misplace it by some time?
Yeah, I think I have to make it again.
Okay. We have a mic for Santa as well now. Actually, you know, Santa, I had this list of all the Diva students from our college. Have they by chance made it on the Diva list?
This is too long.
Well, are they on the list?
No, I think they have some time to get on the list, but I should move around and check for the confirmation, I feel.
Okay. So,
Meet them then.
yeah. Everyone excited to meet Santa? Come on, guys, it's the festive season. We have to be jolly and celebrate. बहुत बड़ा लिस्ट है. FYI, this list is supposed to be front and back. Open भी नहीं हुआ पूरा.
Well, thank you, Santa. Christmas is truly incomplete without Old Saint Nick. Don't you think?
Oh, absolutely.
So, is it okay if I go and join my dance group?
अरे
I want to dance.
wait. Before you go, I need to do a work. The thing is that if you leave, I will not be able to do this event alone. As much as I would love, absolutely love, be solo of this anchor thing, I would like your company.
Fine, if you insist, I'll wait.
Okay? While you are waiting, do you hear that? Do you hear that music?
What? I think you're being delusional. I don't hear anything. Do you guys hear anything?
Really? You can't hear it? Because I hear our mistletoe mashup ready with their next dance, ready with their performance to rock this stage.
So, let's welcome them.
Give it up for mistletoe mashup!
If you wanna run away with me, I know a galaxy and I can take you for a ride. I had a premonition that we fell into a rhythm where the music don't stop for life. Glitter in the sky, glitter in my eyes, shining just the way you like. If you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you met me at the perfect time. You want me, I want you, baby. My sugar boo, I'm levitating. The Milky Way, we're renegading. Yeah, 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 yeah. I got you. Moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. You, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating.
Undamu jamama, aniyao Santa Tuta. Undamu jamama, aniyao Santa Tuta. Animadori chapila lagi felu madinata. Animadori chapila lagi felu madinata. Umbir mama I know, ani pachi monali pulo. Umbir mama I know, ani pachi monali pulo. Animadori chapila nataka yaka kasa hailo. Ya ya maya ya, ya ya maya ya. Ya ya maya ya, ya ya maya ya.
What a lovely performance that was. Thank you guys. Hey Nipun, did you get any gift from Santa?
Actually, no. He must have forgotten to give it to me as well. Did you get one?
No, he didn't give anything to me, yaar.
Well, you do stand a chance to win one though. Give it up for Ayushman and Avni as they present another opportunity to win a sweet treat. Come on guys, give it up for Ayushman and Avni, yaar.
Guys, please show some excitement. So, are you excited for the next game? Okay. Up next, we are playing hook step. Not to be confused with. Never mind. The rules are such. You come up on the stage, we play a song. If you know the hook step for the song, you perform it and win the game. Isn't it simple? Right? Right?
Simple enough, right?
Okay. So, basically just the hook step. You know what, Arya and Nipun, let's show them once.
Come on, let's show
Sure,
them.
sure. Would you like to see a demo? Okay, a lot of mixed answers, but I got yes majorly. So
Come on,
yes, we're
guys.
doing it.